Alright, holy man. Couldn't handle that no more. Shit. There we go. Saugeen River, man. Lots of good times down here, man. Sure, don't fucking fall down there, man. Yeah. Well, let's move on. Let's get out of here. I said there's nobody around today. Everybody's hard at her today. Yeah. Wow. Let's get the hell back up here. Let's take a look around. Let's do some tracking. Let's see what the hell's happening down here. See who the hell's been sneaking around. Seeing tracks? I see some tracks. Doggy tracks. Oh. Hear those friggin' brakes on that bike? Man. Can't have that. That's slowing me down. Oh, check that out. Used to be where a little turtle came out of there. Look at all the little baby shells right there. Oh, look at this. Somebody's been digging fucking around here. Something's in here. Oh. Shit. Shit, that kind of freaked me out. I thought there was something living in there. Oh. Let's go check this out. I'm gonna make sure nobody boosts my bike. If you're reserves like our reserve, you never leave your horse unattended. For some strange reason, they take off.